Hey guys, welcome to Lobricks. Look what just came in the mail. The Obi Wan Kenobi Jedi Starfighter, 282 pieces. We are going to do a speed build of this today, take a quick look at it, and then next week, Assistant is going to do a full review on this. And I'm pretty excited about this. I know Assistant is very excited about this, especially the Tatooine minifigure, but also this is a pretty big ship from what we've seen in the reviews, so I can't wait to build it. So what am I waiting for? Let's build this thing. All right, so let's open her up. Yes, the old, I got out my handy dandy knife, but it has finger tabs, just like many of the new sets. Uh-oh, except the one finger tab, I did not tab it. So hopefully I don't screw up the box. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 bags, instruction booklet, and once again the white construction booklet or instruction booklet. Again, I'm assuming that has something to do with ecological friendliness, so we're not killing the planet and whatnot. And also we have a sticker sheet. So I'm going to cut it over to hyperlapse mode. Actually, before I cut it over to hyperlapse mode, let's see if bag 1, yes, it does. It has a minifigure. So, like always, we rip open the bags, build the minifigures, and then we do hyperlapse mode. And I've been kind of excited about this Obi Wan Kenobi as well. This is a younger Obi Wan Kenobi, pre-Kenobi show. Yeah. And, oh, he has a hood and the hair. I'm going to leave the hair on him for now. Let's get his... Okay. We'll get a close-up of that in a minute because I have to build his lightsaber, which is more than likely, and yes, your standard minifigure lightsaber. Not much has changed there over the years. So here is Obi Wan Kenobi. And let's cut over to hyperlapse mode. Build bag 1. Okay, so there is bag number 1, and now the bag I've been really excited about, the Tatooine bag, which is bag number 2. So let's rip her open. The first time we've gotten one of these minifigures, the Kaminoans, and so this is pretty cool. The neck and the headpiece are all one. Pretty cool. First time ever. I think it's first time ever. I'm going to put them next to Obi Wan Kenobi. Wow, that's a long neck. Put these two over yonder. And let's switch back over to hyperlapse mode. And work on bag 2. All right, so here it is after bag 2. Looking pretty cool. It's pretty big. So let's move on to bag number 3. And in this bag, we have none other than R4 P17, which is Obi-Wan's R2 unit. So we will put R4 together here. And this is the third and final bag. So far, a pretty fun set to build. little bit of Technic pieces, which you know Leaky does not like. Me being Leaky. But it wasn't too bad. Alright, so there is our 4. Let's see all 3 minifigures together. Pretty cool. And this set, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, was $29.99, so not a bad minifigure selection for the price. Alright, so let's finish this ship, and going back to hyperlapse mode for bag number 3. So there it is, completely built. Very cool set for the price. Fairly big ship. So next week we are going to do a full review of the ship. For now, thought it'd be cool if you watched us build it. Pretty cool set. I am pretty happy with it. Especially happy with the new minifigure that came with it. Ton Wei, or the Kaminoan. Very cool. Make sure you check out all of our videos. We do a Hoth mock, Star Wars Lego Hoth mock every Wednesday. This is our Friday fun video, and on Monday we do our unboxings. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, and you can join our Discord server. I am Leaky Trooper. Please like this video. Please subscribe if you liked it. We will see you in the next one. I am out of here, and bye.